Negative times negative. Positive. Right. Right. All right. So what's one that didn't work?
-1.
All right. -1. All right. I didn't even try that one, but we tried -1. What's one that works? 7. Okay. Well, I tried 1 and it didn't work. Let's try 7 then. You said it did work, then that should be easy. Okay. 1, 0, -48. 0, -49. Okay. If you try one that doesn't work, you need to try one of the other numbers on this list. There's not very many. And see if it does work. Okay. Remember, it did not work because this remainder was not 0. So 7 times 1, 7. 0 plus 7, 7. 7 times 7, 49. All right, -48 plus 49 is 1. 7 times 1, 7. 0 plus 7, 7. A lot of 7s. 7 times 7, 49. Okay, 0. Awesome. Okay, so 7 is one of our solutions. How many should we have? 4. Okay, this one's going to have 4. So we found one of them. Okay, so what are you going to do next? 49. All right, 49? All right, let's try 49. There's a couple different things we could do at this point, okay? I already heard from someone -1 didn't work, just so you know, we can save our time. You could try -1, but I did see it did not work. There are a couple other things you could do. We could, since we have 4 terms here, we could have factored by grouping. Okay, that's one way that will get it for us. Okay, if you go through all of these and none of them come out, then maybe you need to factor by grouping, do something else. Okay, but y'all want to try 49?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and I'm going to try it on what's left here. 1, 7, 1, 7. Okay, we're going to maybe get a big number here. 49 times 1, 49. 7 plus 49, 56. 49 times 56?
A lot.
2 what? 2744. All right, 1 plus 2744 is 27545. 49 times that, I don't know what that is, but I bet it's a big number.
134,456.
I got 505. But it doesn't matter. Either way, even if one of us is wrong and one of us is right, it's not going to add to 0, right? Okay, that's going to be 1, 3, 4, 5, 12. Okay, so 49 is too big. All right, the numbers are not big. Let's try -7. Okay, -7 is 1, 7, 1, 7. I'm going to try that with this. Sometimes you can kind of look at the numbers and say, okay, that kind of looks like it would work. I would have thought -1 might have been a good choice too. Okay, it will get you close. Okay, -7 times 1, -7. 7 plus -7?
Yeah.
0. All right, yeah. -7 times 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. -7 times 1, -7. 0. Boom. Okay, -7 also worked.
You sure -1?
Okay. All right. I'm sure -1 doesn't work. I already knew it didn't work too.
How about -49?
All right, -49. You think it's gonna go into this?
No.
No, but if you use the original one.
All right. Then it still wouldn't. You could try it, but it wouldn't.
Yeah.
I mean, since we already factored these out. All right. Okay. So now what's left? This is 1x squared plus 0x plus 1. Okay, or more commonly, x squared plus 1. That's what's left. Okay, that's what this is. You don't have to put the 0x. Okay, and once you get down to this part, remember that's the last factors that are left. We can set that equal to 0 and solve. Right, and since this one, we already tried all of the possible zeros. These are possible rational roots. That's what the theorem is, okay? So if there are imaginary or square roots, irrational numbers, then they're not going to come out in this list, okay? Those are just possible rational roots. So this is how we have to solve to get the rest. So how do we solve to get the x squared plus 1?
Subtract 1.
Subtract 1.
And divide the x squared.
Right, and then we got x squared equals -1. And then square root both sides, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and Square root of -1. Do y'all remember this? Is from fall semester. What's the square root of -1? I, right? It is I. It is I. You would pop an I out, but it's I. Okay? Because what we normally would do, I times 1. Okay? Well, I times 1 is I, right? Because this one, the square root of -1 is I. But, so it's I. But what's one other thing you have to remember about the square roots? Because that's only one more solution. How many more solutions did we need?
One more.
We needed 2, right? And square root squared should give me 2. Okay? Every square root gives you what solution? We did this last class. Right? Well, I is square root of -1. But do you remember every square root? The square root gives you a positive and a negative, right? Positive and negative I every time. Okay? So that would be positive I and negative I. So 7, -7, I, and negative I.
Does the I stand for imaginary number?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It does. Did you learn that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I stands for imaginary number because it's the square root of a negative. You can't really have that, but someone imagined it. Thankfully we have that. Okay, so there's our 4. Okay, now, I've told you a lot of times to look in the calculator. Okay, so I'm going to show you what this looks like in the calculator. X to the 4th power minus 48x squared minus 49. Okay, if we graph it, you can see, sorry, I'm trying to get away from the glare. You can see -7, 7. Okay, you can see them on there. You can see them on the table.